Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're at Culver's in Carpentersville, Illinois, and we're going to be raising about 150 feet of sidewalk along the curb to eliminate trip hazards. And we're here early this morning, and they open at 10, and our goal is to get this 150 feet of sidewalk raised before they open, which at that point the sidewalk will be completely usable. And we're going to be utilizing our smart lift system to raise these sidewalks, and a big aspect of this system is that our materials are made from recycled components, and it is permanent and non-leaching. You know, when we inject the polyurethane under the concrete, it's going to be subjected to water. You know, we have heavy rains here and sometimes flooding, and the polyurethane is highly resistant to water. It's not going to leach anything out into the soil surrounding the polyurethane. It is there as a solid support structure and will be virtually unaffected by water. So we're going to be drilling some small holes through here today. We're going to inject the polyurethane. We're going to patch those holes, and then at 10 o'clock, if all goes well, the sidewalk will be completely ready for use. So we're going to run through some quick time-lapse videos and show you the job and how it goes. Let's check it out now. Okay, we're all done. We've raised 150 feet of sidewalk, and the lifting time was actually 120 minutes, 2 hours. So, you know, that works out to over a foot per minute that we were raising. So it's not even opening time here at 10 o'clock. We're going to get out of here early. All the holes are patched. Our polyurethane is fully cured. The sidewalks are ready to go. And we've blown everything off. It's clean, neat, and we talked to Culver's and asked them how we were doing, and they're very pleased with our performance, and we look forward to working with them more in the future at other locations. Thanks for watching.